Alright, so there's been like, I tried recording this intro a couple times now. There's been a couple cars that pass, kind of get in the way of the audio, and now there's an airplane, so hopefully it's not too bad. I'm just not, I'm not gonna wait. But yeah, so we got a package today from Japan. So it's in here. I already opened it because I'm really impatient, but we're gonna throw these on the car. So first I'm gonna set you guys down and unbox this. I already opened it because I couldn't wait. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. I haven't fully taken them out of the packaging. I just kind of took it out for a TikTok. So I'm gonna show you guys what I actually got. I'm gonna set you guys down and yeah. So this is just one. Set the box down so I can show you guys. So these are lugs from 326 Power. So they are the newest sponsor of the car. I'm going to be getting a bunch of their stuff. I absolutely love their company style. Everything that they stand for, you know, like why their company exists. Everything like that is really, really cool. And I'm really hyped because they have really dope stuff. So as you guys can see, these are the lugs. They look amazing. I got silver to match the center caps on the wheels, so they'll actually blend perfectly. So I'm very hyped on that. Gotta throw these on, gotta take off these ugly ones, and then we're gonna put these on. So I'm gonna change these out for the old, just regular lugs for these ones. And then we're waiting on a couple more things. I'm waiting on like a banner, and then I'm gonna order a bunch more stuff from them. I'm really hyped on that. They're super dope. I'm really surprised that these got here this fast. Only took a week. They shipped from Japan and they got to California in a week. I'm gonna take off these boring lugs and put those ones on, so I'll see you guys when I'm doing that. Okay, so just gotta take these out of the box, put them on. I don't really want to jack the car up because I gotta put it on 2x4s. So I'm not sure I'm pretty sure as long as I don't take all the lugs off at the same time, that it's not gonna affect like how the car is sitting or whatever. We have these. Compared to these are even much lighter actually than these lugs. So you guys can see the new ones look way cooler than the old ones. These are super boring. So they also have these, and then after you put them on, you can screw these little things on. We got all the lugs on, so I just have to fully tighten them. I do need to go get like a torque bar. I don't have anything that can actually reach. The dish on these wheels is too long. So like, I mean, obviously this does not have enough like leverage. So gotta go get that, get like an extension. Currently I cannot take my car to Home Depot because I don't have an alignment. And I'm really scared to drive the car right now just because I finally adjusted the fronts fully. You guys saw the last vlog, I was doing a little bit, but my homie 86 Acer Marlou came and helped me out. So huge shout out to him. I'll actually show you guys what the fronts look like right now. They're not fully as low as I think they will be. I need to get a tire with a 35 sidewall. Currently these are 40s. So this has a little bit of a gap, but then if you look at the other side, it's way better on this side. So if you look at the other side, it's literally almost tucking. So this is perfect. I just wanted to get as close as I could to the rears. I definitely got the wrong tire size. I didn't want to get 35s because I'd been warned about it, but honestly, I think that's just what I'm gonna have to run. I just gotta be very, very careful about my tire pressure. Obviously, that's something you wanna do, you know, if you're ever cambered or running stretch tires in general. You gotta stay on top of your tire pressure because if you don't, you can debead, for the people that don't understand. So yeah, we got these lugs on. They look amazing. I'm just gonna go throw them on every wheel now, and then I'm gonna fully tighten them whenever, but it's gonna be the same thing for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some pictures, hopefully kind of soon after I get my alignment this weekend. Go get some photos, and I'm really hyped for these. I think they look really great with the center caps. They match perfectly, and then I found out you don't really ever get to straighten these out. They're just kind of gonna look like this, but they still look so good. So, you know, huge shout out to 326. I really can't wait I have so much more stuff for this car planned with them. I'm just like, there's at least like 5 things that I really want from them that I'm just waiting. So yeah, I'm gonna be posting some photos of these on my Instagram soon. So go check out my Instagram in the description. So I'm gonna go throw all the lugs on all the wheels, and then I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. All right, so all the lugs are on. So this is the one, I believe I showed you guys this one already, but that's the rear, and front, my screwdriver, it's the front, and then this other side, just got these on, so I need to like fully tighten them. I need to go get that torque bar, and then I'll be good. Don't want to drive just like hand tightened. I really only have like a ratchet right now, so definitely gotta go get that. Definitely gotta go get that when I have a car to go to like Home Depot or something. And they sent me a cool little sticker, so I threw that on my odometer or over it. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. They definitely are like the things that these wheels needed. They help the wheels pop so much, and honestly the detail on these lugs is just insane. Like they look so freaking good. So go check them out. Their link will be in the description to both their Instagrams, their Japan and their US Instagrams. So go give them a follow. They make really dope stuff for cars, especially if you have a BRZ or 240, any S14, 13, 15. They make a bunch of stuff for all those cars, and I know a lot of Lexuses too. So, you know, if you're in the market for some sick Japanese parts, you know, go hit them up. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and go check out my Instagram. I'll be posting some photos of these lugs and the new setup now that I dialed in the front camber for the most part. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.